So if I click on edit theme, you'll see how easy this actually is. They give us like just a basic shell of the website. And the way this works is on the left side, you have this hierarchy, this tree of how your website's actually designed. So this is using what's called a section layout. So as you scroll down, each section is stacked on top of one another. It's really common for websites to be built like this. And you'll see they're outlined in blue. So each section, this is like the first rich text is the name of this section. It's really the style of the section. Then you've got a product down here, a featured product. You've got just an image banner. You've got your testimonials down here. This is actually two different sections that are with the same background that look like one. And then you've got your footer on the very bottom. You can edit these on the left side. You can move them around. So if I wanted this text to be below the featured product, I can hover over the 6-dot array here, click it, and drag it down. And that moved it below there. If I wanted to edit anything, well, before editing, within each section, you've got multiple different elements. They call them blocks on Shopify. So here you can see we've got, in this section, we have a heading block. We only have one block in here, but you can add blocks above or below that by clicking on the plus over here, or on the left side in this tree, which at first seems non-intuitive, but I personally, after building dozens or probably hundreds of Shopify stores, I prefer to do it on the left side. I just think it's easier to see exactly where things go. So you can click on the plus right here, and there's a lot of different blocks you can add. In this particular section, there's a limit to you can only have 4 different ones here, but anywhere else, you can add tons and tons of different styles of blocks. Now, to keep this website really simple,